In this section, we are going to add a new piece of hardware called LEDs. It's a 3-color LED, red, yellow, and green, very much like a traffic light. Take out the 3-color LED from the kit. After we connect the wires from the 3-color LEDs to the microcontroller unit, I'm going to show you a code that will make the robot perform certain actions based on a specific color of the LED. I'll show you that. When the red LED light is on, it moves its left arm. When the green LED light is on, it will move its right arm. And finally, when the yellow LED light, it will perform the head movement. But first, let's learn how to connect the 3-color LED to the microcontroller unit. As you can see, there are 4 metal pins on this LED unit, and each one of them is labeled. The topmost pin is labeled G. Do you remember what that means? Ground, or G and D. A wire from this pin must connect to G and D on the microcontroller unit. The other 3 pins are labeled R for red, Y for yellow, and G for green. Take out the bag of wires from the kit. Note that there are 4 wires, 1 black and 3 red wires. Now let's connect the LED to the microcontroller unit using these wires. What wire do you think we will use for the G and D pins? The black one. We are going to connect one end to the pin labeled G and D on the LED unit and connect the other end to the G and D pin on the microcontroller unit. As you can see, there is a G and D pin directly above the G and D of the battery wire that we connected in the previous sections. Make the connection between this pin and the pin on the LED light. Next, we are going to connect the red, yellow, and green LEDs to the microcontroller unit using the 3 red wires. Connect one end of a red wire to the pin labeled R on the LED unit. We are then going to connect the other end of the red wire to the signal pin in row 5. Note that row 5 is right next to where we have connected the motor for the right arm. Also note that the top row is the signal line. Make sure the column labeled 5 is connected to the label R on the LED light. Take a second red wire and connect one end of the red wire to the pin labeled Y on the LED unit. We are going to connect the other end of the red wire to the signal pin in row 6. Finally, take the third red wire and connect one end of the red wire to the pin labeled G on the LED unit. Connect the other end of the red wire to the signal pin in row 7. So now we have connected the red LED to pin number 5, the yellow LED to pin number 6 and green LED to the pin number 7. Cut a small piece of double-sided adhesive and peel off one side. Before attaching the LED light to the robot, make sure the red LED is under the left arm and the green LED is under the right arm. Now peel off the other side and simply stick the LED unit to the robot's body. In the next video, we're going to program the robot.